Welcome back, guys, to another video. It's Madeline Laurel. Go ahead and do me a favor. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. But today, getting into it, I thought that I would unbox my Fab Fit Fun box. So I've been getting the Fab Fit Fun box for 3 years now, and I thought I would do a little fun unboxing. I haven't seen what's inside, so we can kind of be surprised together. Let me get this thing opened. Really pretty box this season for spring. It looks like there's lots of different flowers on top. Their packaging's different. Okay, finally got this open. My light died. All right. So, some things that come in the box right away. Something that says Grow Forth. It's a cute little postcard, and it also has, on the postcard you can send to someone, it has a little code for them to redeem $15 off their first box. So that's really cute. Some stickers. Fun to put in your planner. And then FabFitFun always comes with a catalog that explains everything that's inside, what the value is, and what went into creating the box. I'm not going to look at this quite yet because I want to be surprised on what's inside my particular box. So let's see. All right, first item I see right away is HelloFresh. So I haven't tried HelloFresh yet, but in most of their boxes or all of their boxes, they do include a code where you can get, for this one in particular, 13 free meals, including free shipping on your first box. So I really need to try this. But that's really nice. Let's see, what is the first thing? Oh wow, these are makeup removing puffs, I believe. And I think this is Say. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. I'm really sorry if I am. So yes, reusable beauty rounds. So I believe you just soak this under warm water and you can use it to remove your makeup. Oh, I'll definitely have to try these and see how well they work. That's cool. We have a Biome Brightening Ampoule, Marina, Earth Harbor. Let's see what this is. This is the box. Oh, it looks like, so spirulina and blue tansy. So it looks like a beauty serum. That's really nice. Can definitely try that. Ooh, this is a cute little package. Tweezers with a pouch. Always nice to have in your handbag. By Summer and Rose. Look how cute this is. This little pouch and tweezer set. So cute. I'm going to put this in my purse. Look at, so it's from the company Summer and Rose. There's little roses on the tweezers. And you just stick this in this little pouch and you can have a travel set of tweezers with you. So cute. All right, what is next? It looks like we have two things from Milk Makeup. The first one is a watermelon brightening serum. Solid serum brightens, hydrates, and smooths for a more even skin tone and texture. Cute, I love their packaging. Let's see what this smells like. Doesn't smell like anything. It seems unscented. It's a brightening serum. Very nice. That's cool. And then we have Milk Makeup, the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. So I bet it's a duo. Apply mask evenly to damp or dry skin. Let dry for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water 2 to 3 times a week. So tip, spot treat areas that need brightening and hydrating. Very cool. Definitely excited to try both of these out together. Really cute. From Milk Makeup. Ooh, Lark and Ives hair scarf set. Cute little canvas bag it comes in. Oh, look how pretty. Silk scarves for to tie up in your hair. You can tie them around handbags too. So this is a nice nude color. And then a pink one with like a floral pattern on it. So cute. All right, everyone. Alice and Olivia. We know the bucket hats have been coming back. I don't know if I can rock this again. I don't remember when this was big, in the late 90s or early 2000s. What do you guys think? Is this a vibe? Can I rock this look? Cute little hat, nice for spring. Just not sure if I can rock the look, but we'll see. Next, we have a daily planner by Steel Mill. It's a to-do planner. Very cute. Let me tear into this. Wow, they packaged that really well. Okay, so it comes with a to-do planner, 2 dual tip highlighters, and a sticker pack set of 5. So here is the sticker set. I wonder if the same company... No, it doesn't look like it. They just happen to include 2 sets of stickers here. But this comes with your Steel Mill planner. Very cute. And then it comes with dual-ended highlighters. How fun. Here are the dual-ended highlighters. Looks like purple and green and pink and orange. And then a cute little planner. So on the inside, it looks like you have today's plan to do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. And they split, each page has 2 days. So morning, afternoon, evening, top priorities, and today I am grateful for. And it looks like they have little cups here you can fill in with your highlighter or your pen on how many glasses of water you drink. That's really cute. I also like that it's not a specific year, so you could use this anytime. So that's really cute. All right, and then the last thing in the box is inside here. Oh, this is adorable. Very appropriate for Arizona. 21-ounce Cactus Cup. Very cute. With straw. Dishwasher safe. BPA and lead free. Cold liquids only. So cute, a little cactus, like water bottle or drink bottle. So it's just the core of the cactus. You don't fill up liquid into the sides. Oh, actually you do. Never mind, but that's really cute. And a cute spring color. Oh, that's adorable. So let's look back in the catalog. And let me see if I'm shocked by some of the values in the box. Wow, the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Mask and Mini Watermelon Brightening Face Serum is $44. So FabFitFun, I haven't mentioned this, but is $50 per box, and you get a box in spring, summer, fall, and winter. You can also sign up for their membership, which gives you access to be able to add on perks to your box. And it also lets you pick what you would like to get within your box, because you won't get every item listed. So all members for the first one get a combination of 3 of these particular items. So of 3 items on this page. So I received the planner, the hat, And the Milk Makeup. The Milk Makeup was $44. Those two, the brightening face serum and the brightening mask, that was $44. The hat, let's see, 3B, Alice and Olivia. Oh, it's reversible. So if you don't like the pattern, you can have a cute little light bucket hat. This hat retails for $85. And then the Steel Mill and Company planner retails for $45. So with the hat alone, you're way over the value of the box that you paid for. And even with the Milk Makeup or the Steel Mill planner, you're close to the value of the box. And then this is the next page. All members get a customization of 4 to 5 of these items. So I got the adorable little Summer Rose tweezer and pouch set, and I also received the Larkin Ives hair scarf bundle, and then I got the water bottle cup, and then the reusable beauty rounds. Ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. Very cool. So here are all the items that you might have gotten a combination of. And then the rest of the catalog talks about members' perks. It'll also talk about how they picked these items and why they picked these items for the box. They usually give some good tips and tricks for like staying calm. So turn your home into a calming oasis. Tone your core. It goes with something that was possibly sent in the box. They have a recipe here. And then exclusive offers. So those must be add-ons. And they give you codes to enter in on their website. Yeah, so this is the spring box. I'm really excited. My 2 favorite items in the box would probably have to be the daily planner and then a combination of the skincare. I love skincare items. So the brightening face mask and serum, and then also this Earth Harbor Marina oil. So what'd you guys get in your box? Did we get the same things? Did you get something different? I'll also link Fab Fit Fun down below. If you guys are interested in signing up, you can save some money on your first box. But I love Fab Fit Fun. It really gives you good exposure to a lot of new companies and brands. And to try things that you might never try before. So it's a fun little surprise that you get quarterly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!